So this is the last humidifier for today, but we also have to show tomorrow. So we were scraping everything down, got it all cleaned up, put the pads back in, put everything back in, closed it up, went home for the day, and then we came back to the hospital again. The next day we had to do another humidifier, and we changed two filters. So let's get into that. Um, That'll